My name is Shreya HK from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from 2nd SEM, and today I will be explaining the topic related to mathematics, that is nothing but computer graphics. The most important topics for starting in graphics are linear algebra and trigonometry. We usually describe the location of 3D graphics object according to its x, y and z coordinates. We can then apply the following operations on a 3D object, that is translate and move, that is scale, change the size and rotate. For example, Disney's The Lion King used geometric shapes to create the characters and their movements. They also use the circles, squares, and triangles to create the basic shapes of the characters and then manipulate them to create the final design. Matrices applications in computer graphics. A matrices is a two-dimensional arrangement of numbers in row and column enclosed by a pair of square brackets, or can also say matrices are nothing but the rectangular arrangement of numbers, expressions, symbols which are arranged in column and rows. Matrices find many applications in scientific field and apply to practical real life problem. Matrices can also be solved physical related application and one applied in the study of electrical circuits, quantum mechanics and optics. With the help of matrices, calculation of battery power outputs, resistors, conversion of electrical energy into another useful energy. These matrices play a role in calculation. With the help of matrices, problems related to Carnot law of voltage and current can be easily solved. Matrices can play a vital role in projection of three-dimensional images into two-dimensional screens, creating the realistic decreasing motion. Nowadays, matrices are used in the ranking of web pages in the Google search. It can also be used in generalization of analytical motion like experimental and derivatives to their high dimensional. This is 2D rotation around the point. The most important usages of matrices in computer side application are encryption of messages codes. With the help of encryptions, only internal functions are working and even could work with transmission of sensitive and private data. Matrices are also used in geology for seismic survey, and it is also used for plotting graphs. Here are few pictures related, that is original object, shear in x direction, shear in y direction, shear in both the directions. This is shearing. Matrices used in statistics plays a vital role in scientific studies. Matrices are also used in robotics and automation in terms of base elements for the robot movements. The movements of the robot are programmed with the calculation of matrices. Row and column controlling of matrices are done by calculation of matrices. Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system is used to represent 2D and 3D objects in computer graphics. It is a system of coordinates in which a point is specified by its distances from perpendicular lines that intersect at a fixed point. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with linear equations and their representation in vector spaces. It is used in computer graphics to perform transformations such as scaling, rotation, and translation. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with relationship between the angles and side of triangles. It is used in computer graphics to calculate angles and rotation and to create smooth curves. For example, Pixar's The Incredibles used trigonometry to create the movement of the character's hair. They use sine and cosine functions to create the movement of the character limbs. The Incredibles animated movies. Homogeneous coordinates. Homogeneous coordinates are used in computer graphics to represent points and transformation in consistent manner. They allow for transformations such as perspective projection to be represented as matrix multiplication. Fourier transforms. Fourier transforms are used in computer graphics to analyze and manipulate signals such as sound or images. They can be used to remove noise from image, compress data, or create special effects. Thank you.